Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enter codes on Roblox application. So all you need to do, first of all, if you don't have Roblox on your PC, you would like to go and open the browser that you are currently using. And once you actually do that, just go and type roblox.com at the URL section. And of course, they will ask you to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you'll need just to create one. It's simple. You'll need just to provide them with your birthday and just enter a new username and a password. And of course, once you actually do that, maybe you would like to verify your Gmail, would just put in Gmail and they will send you a code. Then come back and enter the code. Then they will give you the download link, of course. So just go and download it. Once it's actually downloaded on your PC, you will need to install it on your PC. Then when you open it or run it, you will need to log in again here. So once you are here, that will be actually your home or your main screen. And actually from here, you'll find, or this screen, you'll find the games that you recently played or the games that is suggested for you from Roblox. So of course, if you want to, as we said in the beginning of the video, to enter some codes on Roblox, simply you will need to go at the top right corner. Here is your ID, or not ID, here is your username, then click at the option at the right of it. So once you click there, they will give you an option to buy, of course, the Robux if you want, and of course just enter or click at any of them, and then you will have here an option to redeem a Roblox card. So of course, if you have some Roblox card or that contain a code, you can redeem it from there. So of course, let me just now go back, and then of course a success message will appear once you've successfully redeemed the code, and you will get credit, Robux, or a virtual item. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.